I'd love to see maybe him standing for a little while, like a little arc shot. I'm just gonna stand over your shoulder, not to bug you, but just kind of see how you're capturing. Oh, what you could even do is you could start here. Okay, we need something else.